Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. So today we are going to be continuing solving one-step word problems using division, okay? So yesterday we worked with manipulatives. Now today you're actually going to be working with pictures, all right? So boys and girls, you're going to watch me do this video first, and then you are going to go off into Schoology and do the collaborative work. And then today you have an assignment that is for a grade, and it is due today. So make sure you complete all your work, especially the graded work, because it is due today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this problem, and you are going to watch me how you're going to solve this. So we always do our cubes when we are doing our word problems. Sally has 25 dolls that she wants to put into 5 boxes. All right, so we have our dolls, we have our 5 boxes. How many dolls will she put in each box? Okay, boys and girls. So kind of like what we did with our little cubes from yesterday, we're going to be almost doing the same thing, but instead of drawing every doll and putting them in each box, I am just going to put a tally mark that represents 1 doll, okay? So 1 doll, I'm going to cross out here. I'm going to put it right in here. Same thing with this doll, put in this box. This doll, put in this box. This doll, put in this box. And then this doll in this box. All right, so boys and girls, remember, almost exactly like yesterday, we are making sure that we are putting an equal amount in each group because the boxes represent groups, which is 5. There's 5 boxes, and we need to evenly put in 1 doll at a time in each box until all these dolls are evenly put into the boxes. Because, boys and girls, remember, division is multiplication, but going backwards, because we know the total and we know how many groups, but we need to find out how many is in each group. And that's what division is. It's multiplication backwards. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. So then I got 1 doll here, put it here, another doll here, put it here, right there. Always making sure ending with an even amount so I don't lose track. Another doll here, another doll there, another doll there. Okay, and then another doll. Right there, okay. And then last row. Okay, so boys and girls, how many dolls will she put into each box? It looks like 5 dolls go into each box. Why don't we go ahead and double check? Because, boys and girls, what is 5 times 5? 25. Yes, very good. Hopefully you've been practicing your multiplication math facts every night so that you are prepared for division. Okay, so how many dolls are in each box? 5 dolls. And that is our answer. All right, we are going to go ahead and move along and do the other ones. Okay. All right, next problem. Gabby has 12 marbles. There are 12 marbles here that she wants to put into 4 boxes. Same concept as the other one. We've got 4 boxes in here. How many marbles will she put in each box? Boxing each box because it's another way of saying that we are working with division and multiplication. So we need to put these 12 marbles equally into each box. So again, I'm going to mark off each picture that I know that I am using. So 4 marbles distributed into 4. Okay, let's continue. All right, last row. Okay, so boys and girls, how many marbles will she put in each box? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 3. Why don't we go ahead and double check with that by saying 4 times 3 equals what? 12. That is correct. Okay, and we had 12 marbles, so 3 marbles. Always labeling our answers. Okay, next one. So that is the result. Next one. Let's make sure we get this. There we go. Kelly was having a party. She bought 24 flowers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. So we have 24 here. Okay. So Kelly was having a party. She bought 24 flowers to put into 4 vases. Oh, here's the question. Okay, so it's a big one. Kelly wanted each vase to have the number of flowers. Which number sentence could be used to find how many flowers would be placed in one vase? Okay, so then here's our actual question. All right. Placed into one vase. Okay, so I'm going to do placed into one vase because that's a group of words that is going to help me understand what it is I need to find. So just kind of like what we did with the other problems, we need to distribute flowers into each one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has 4 groups. Out of 24, we need to put them evenly into each one. But we're not actually solving because the question is telling us which number sentence could be used to find how many flowers would be placed in the vase. So we know we have 24. Looks like there's 24 for choice A, B, C, and D. And then there is 4, yes, so all of them have 4, okay. So now, boys and girls, if we already know the total and we know how many groups, but we don't know how many goes in each group, are we subtracting? No, we are not subtracting. That wouldn't make sense. So we're going to eliminate that answer. Are we adding? Well, we are adding flowers to each one, but that is not what we are doing here. We're just trying to see how much, with our shortcuts, how much goes into each one. So adding 24 plus 4 would not be the correct answer because we would be adding and basically telling us how many flowers go in each one. It would then tell us 24 plus 4, so that would be 28. So 28 flowers can fit in one vase? No, that would not make sense. That's why that's not the right answer. So then we are left with A and B. Now, boys and girls, remember when we have the total and we have the groups, and we need to find out how many goes into each group, is that dividing or multiplying? Pay attention to the symbols in each one. This is division. A is our choice because, I'm going to zoom in here as best I can. All right, so when you have a line and 2 dots, one on top and one on bottom, that's our division sign. So this symbol represents division. As we already know, the X represents multiplication. So A would be our answer choice for answering the question, which number sentence could be used to find how many flowers would be placed in one vase? Because the answer would be 6, because 6 times 24, 6 times 4 equals 24. So we would put 6 flowers into each vase. Okay, boys and girls, this concludes the focus portion of today's lesson. Now you're going to go into Schoology and you are going to complete the collaborative part. And very important, boys and girls, I'm going to say it again. For independent work, you need to make sure you complete and submit today's independent work because that work is for a grade and it is due today. So make sure you get that done. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Strasbaugh. I will see you tomorrow and have a wonderful day. Bye.